पर लेट नहीं है. सॉरी, तू लेट है पर अकेला नहीं है. एंड मोमेंट तक लड़ेंगे, आईआईटी क्रैक करेंगे. 21 दिन, सिर्फ 21 दिन की मेहनत.
If you guys have seen Kota Factory, Vaibhav Pandey struggles to study. So he makes it a habit to study for 6 hours for 21 days to make it an easier habit. But is it really possible? Most people believe that habits are formed by completing a task for 21 days in a row. 21 days of task completion, then voila, a habit is formed. But it is a common misinterpretation of Dr. Maxwell Maltz's work on self-image. Maxwell was a plastic surgeon, so he began noticing in his patients that when he performed a surgery like a nose job, it took them a minimum of 21 days to get used to their new look. Maltz did not find that 21 days of task completion forms a habit. People wanted it to be true so much so, however, that idea began to grow in popularity. This 21 days habit can be explained by Pavlov's experiment. In this, Pavlov's dog responded to the bell by salivating. Every time the bell rang, a person wearing a lab coat would give food to the dog. So now Pavlov began noticing that the dog began salivating every time it heard a bell ring or when it saw a person wearing a lab coat. Point to be noted is that once the conditioned response became a habit, the actual presence of food was not required for the dog to trigger saliva. That's the power of habit. On an average, it takes more than 2 months before a new habit becomes automatic, 66 days to be exact. And how long it takes a new habit to form can vary widely depending on the behavior, person, and the circumstances. During summer, my friend and I decided to jog every morning, and I was under the delusion that 21 days would be enough for that to become a habit. But it took me 3 months, while it took 4 months for my friend. Now, I would like to tell you a quote from the famous book by James Clear, Atomic Habits. The task of breaking a habit is like uprooting a powerful oak within us, and the task of building a habit is like cultivating a delicate flower one day at a time. In this, he says that improving by 1% daily can significantly impact long-term success. A small improvement can lead to a significant development. Conversely, a 1-year decrease can lead to a near zero decline. It's crucial to focus on improving daily, regardless of current success. Forming habits is not a goal. You are in charge of making the little changes that add up to significant changes. We cannot tell you how to form or break habits.